In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates using Payhip. We're going to walk through the setup process inside Payhip so you can list your Canva template as a digital product and make it available for customers to buy. This is a simple workflow, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for future products. First, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and sales. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the products section and click on it. That will take you to the page where all of your existing items are listed and where you can create a new one. Next, click Add New Product. Payhip will then ask what type of product you want to create. Since Canva templates are typically delivered digitally, choose Digital Product. This tells Payhip that your customer will receive a downloadable file after purchase rather than a physical shipment. Now, you'll need to upload your product file. Click Upload Product File and upload your PDF. For Canva templates, this PDF usually contains the access link to the template along with any brief instructions the buyer may need. Using a PDF is a clean and professional way to deliver your template, and it helps make the customer experience smoother. After that, choose a title for your product. Make sure the title clearly describes what the buyer is getting. A strong title helps your listing look more polished and also makes it easier for customers to understand the product at a glance. Then, set your price. Choose an amount that fits the value of the template and the audience you want to attract. If you're just getting started, you may want to keep your pricing competitive while still reflecting the work you put into the design. Next, add images or embed audio or video. This is where you can make your product page more appealing. Product images are especially helpful because they let potential buyers preview the style, layout, and quality of your Canva template before purchasing. If you have a short walkthrough video, that can also help increase buyer confidence. Once that's done, add a description for your product. This is where you explain what the template is, who it's for, and what's included. Keep your description clear and specific so buyers know exactly what they're purchasing. Good descriptions can also reduce confusion and cut down on customer questions. Finally, click Add Product. That will publish your new digital listing in Payhip and make it part of your store. And that's it. You've successfully created a Canva template product in Payhip and taken the key steps towards selling it online.